Hi and welcome back to LDF-Designs. In today's video I'm going to do a short little project with these clay boards. You can purchase these online, and this one came 8 in a pack. I've used a few of them for some other projects. So I'm going to go ahead and put some tape on these to protect the back sides, but also to kind of keep them stuck together as I work with them, because it's a little challenging to work that small. My goal for today is to create these little encaustic pieces and then adhere some adhesive magnets to the back of them to create a little set of magnets. These are great gifts for buyers. They're also great for if you do outdoor markets in the summertime. Magnets are just a really great little popular fun way to get encaustic into everybody's hands. I usually start each of my pieces with some kind of marks onto my panels. So I did the same here. I used a charcoal pencil and just made some lines, heated up the little panels, and then I'll start just applying the encaustic. I do need to apologize because as this video goes, I did get a phone call and somehow I got my camera switched around to where I thought it was on but it was off, and I thought it was off but it was on. So as I go ahead and apply the layers of encaustic here, just as I get towards the end, I missed a few of the steps, but I do show you what they look like in the end. I'm just using some various colors that I have on my encaustic palette. I have this red color as a color that I made, and I have some gold, I have some cerulean gray, some white, and some clear. I think are most of the colors that I use in the piece. At the very end I put a little bit of a marabou crayon that's a blue color, just to add a little blue to it. But that's towards the end. My big torch is a little bit of overkill for these tiny pieces, but my smaller torch was running out of the butane and I didn't really want to take the time to stop and fill it back up. So I just used my larger torch. Just have to be a little bit careful because with the little pieces, they heat up pretty quickly. I really enjoyed the smooth surface that these little clay boards produced. I was trying to show you that smooth surface. I don't work on a smooth surface super often, as those of you who follow me know that I often am creating a lot of texture in my pieces, but these boards are just fantastic with the encaustic. I decided to go ahead and at this point again create some texture with just the encaustic. I'm going to do that here, and then I'm going to add a little bit of tar to the texture to pull that out to the forefront. It was at about this time that I ended up getting my phone call, so I do apologize because I ended up shutting the camera off and not capturing a lot of the rest of the process. I did add some more paint color, and then I went ahead and put the magnets onto the back, and I'll show you those here in a second. You can see more pictures of these over on my Instagram page. Thank you for watching today.